Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to override or hide a product tab for each of your products using the Smart Tabs plugin. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Smart Tabs, Product Tabs. Now create a new tab by clicking the Add New Tab button. You can choose any tab type you want and override its content. For example, I'll select the Image tab type and create an Image Gallery tab. Let me give it a title, add some images, and configure the other settings. Now scroll down to the very last option. Override this tab in each product. This is the key feature that allows you to customize the tab content individually for each product. Once everything is set up, click Save Tab. Next, to override the tab content, open the Edit page of any product. In the Product Data section, click on the Product tabs. Here, you'll see a list of all the tabs you've created. The one I created is called Image Gallery. Since we enabled the override option earlier, you'll notice a checkbox right here. Check this box, and now you can upload a completely different set of images just for this product. After adding your images, click Update to save the changes. Let's head over to the single product page to see how it looks. You'll notice the customized content applied perfectly. Now, if you want to hide a tab for a specific product, you can do that too. Just check the Hide option from the Edit product page, and that tab will disappear only for that product. And that's it. You have learned how to easily override or hide a product tab using the Smart Tabs plugin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Smart Tabs features.